Welcome back, royal family. Welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing a Valentine's Day DIY. Something that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna show y'all how it normally will come at the Dollar Tree, and it comes two in a pack. So I had already, just to speed the video up, I already painted the flower pot. So it's just basically a flower pot with the paint and a paintbrush, but we're not going to be doing that because I already did it. And a cup. So I'm going to use this lid for the top of this project. So we're not even going to be using this cup. So, and a bag of candy and my glue gun, and we're going to get started. So basically what I did was I painted the flower pot pink because that's the color that I want for, Valentine's Day. I think it's a nice little color. It is one of the main colors that people always use for Valentine's Day. And this is a clear vase that I got from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to be doing is gluing this onto the bottom of the flower pot, like this. And it's going to be like a little not a bubblegum machine, but like a candy machine, like a candy dish that you could probably set on your table or your desk at work or whatever. Just something to tie into like decorations for Valentine's Day. Or it can actually be a gift if you want it to be. So what I'm going to do is just put a little glue around the edge of the flower pot. Or kind of like saturated with glue, just so that it can stick. You can use E6000 glue if you want to, or however, and it doesn't matter if the tag is still on there because you're not going to see it. And just kind of make sure that it's centered and put pressure on it so that it can stick. And then it's going to look a little something like this. Then I have the heart candy, and all you're going to do is cut that open. And you already made sure that was clean and dusted out and everything, so you could just dust. Make sure there's no dust, because from the store you never know when they package it or however, because you will be eating the candy. You want to make sure that the vase is clean. And I already did it off camera. So then you just pull your candies in here, and you don't want to fill it all the way up to the top because you want to kind of have it a little empty, because I think it looks a little better. And then you take this lid and you place it on top, and it put me in the mind of a mini bubblegum machine. If you want to take it further, you can take a paintbrush and paint the bubblegum sign, or paint something. If you want to get rhinestones, you could bling out the flower pot. I mean, there's so many different things that you could do with this project, but I just wanted to show y'all the project. I have done so many other parties where I used this same concept. I made, what is the cartoon character? Cookie Monster. I painted this blue, and I had the cookie crumb, or not cookie crumb, what is it called? The cookie cereal. I put it inside of the lid and had the flower pot thing to put on top. They had the planters at like Home Depot or Walmart. Well, not Walmart, Home Depot. Yeah, Walmart probably will sell them. And it's the flat piece to the flower pot. You could just do different things with this project, but I wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed it. So like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed one.